Not only have we read it, but we've also consulted it with experts who can tell us things in it that we don't understand. Because none of us, we are not accountants, we are not financial investigators. So we spend the time. We spend the time and we find people who can tell us what is in these reports. So when we speak on it, good afternoon. So, if you change the background, I can't say the name them. When we speak on the Integrity Commission report, it's because we take the time out to learn and learn how we speak. So when I tell you that, Mr. Phillips break the rules of the Integrity Commission by releasing a statement on a report that has not been tabled in Parliament. The rule of the Integrity Commission state that no one should speak on any report before it is tabled in the House. Really making the comparison, said the Prime Minister should have come out and tell, no, the rule state, the rule that Mark Jefferson Golden Right said that no one should speak publicly on a report before it is tabled in the House. Again, if they had even read the rules of the report, they would have known that. But not even that, them don't spend the time to get themselves abreast that. They don't do that. Right? Because those things are not important. What is important is the list of talking points that they have been given. But this is the challenge when I throw out now. I am sure somebody there now, I record it and I was saying go get such man from Canada. Such man, if you say you read the report of which we speak, let you and I have a public debate on the matter. Yes, a public debate on the matter. Now, you choose a platform. I wouldn't do it on yours and you wouldn't do it on mine. Choose a platform. Let you and I go publicly. You have your copy of it open and I have my copy of it open, and we go through it and we discuss the points. That is my open channel to such man from Canada. Let me prove to the people them that you are an idiot. DJ political reasoning tonight. All right. I am challenging such man to that. Me and him alone, one-on-one, and we are going to debate the integrity. No, we are going to debate politics in Jamaica in general. Political present, political future, and political past. Me challenge you, such man, to that debate. Me and you, one-on-one. We are going to see which of us is learned. Right? We are going to see which of us is learned. We are going to debate the principles of politics. We are going to see who is willing to sell out them principles for political benefit. We are going to see which political party we can point to that has done more to benefit Jamaica and Jamaicans. We are going to see which political party have the best interest of the country. Well, elder, listen, elder. Media houses, including even the wicked one them, are an important part of any democracy, even the wicked one them. Yes. So if a media house, any media house in Jamaica, did not have a confidential source in the Integrity Commission or in a parliament, they would not have been doing their job, elder. Be me know, elder PMP. Yeah, elder. Any media house in any country don't have sources in those here in those organizations is not doing their job, elder. Right? Media protection is written in the law. You cannot force a media house to tell you who their sources are. Yeah, yes, you admit that it was him. That's why you cannot legally force any media house to tell you who their sources are, who they get them information from. So, elder, there's nothing wrong with media house getting the information and run it out. It is a part of the democracy. That's how it plays out. Right? So, that's how we run it. But for the members to speak on it before, that is a violation of the rules. But elder, made it pass at long time. So when you know one with principle, okay, elder, you say you're one with principle. Later may you talk. That challenge is out there to Brother Reed. Yes, I refuse to come up on your platform because me tell you say your argument has come to you. You do research and you find things. You don't do one shit of research. When you don't know something, you ask and them say no piece of paper come give you and you come back with it. But now, me I openly challenge you to that debate. Yes, we are going to discuss politics in Jamaica. We are going to see who have the best interest and heart. We are going to see what happened in the country in the last 8 years. What never happened in the previous 22. Right? Because unlike you, I actually do research. I actually spend my time to get myself up to date on certain matters. I know what is happening. This and here for me is not taps and roses. Me come here if you look. By the way, people, let me say this before me go any further. At last check on my TikTok account, I have, I think, little over 10,000 Jamaican dollars is on my TikTok account. Right now, little over 10,000. Now, today is Tuesday. I am going to go from this Tuesday until next Tuesday. As I said, the starting point, I think, is about $10,500 that is on it. And what I'm going to do, my people, I am going to encourage you all to give a rose, give a tap, give whatever you can. At the end of next week, Tuesday. Today's Monday, yes, sorry. By next week, Monday, whatever is on it, I will cash it out and I will be giving it to Mr. Meshach Willis. Yes, all of you know Meshach Willis. Meshach Willis is the victim of Finsack that is now living in less than stellar circumstances. He's doing a little selling on the side. So the base there that is now, it is now at about 10,500. So for the rest of this week, no, not yet, Petal. I'm still trying to reach him. Right? But don't worry. As I say, I've sent my mother to reach out to him, and she did. Right? So it is now at 10,000. Well, let me check and show you all where it is, because you know, say we. Let me check and confirm where it is. But as me say, I don't. This is the only reason. This is the first I am going to ask you all. Yes, William, I have a Zelle. I have a Zelle. Just give me send me an inbox and I will send it to you. Where is it? This one. I'm going to show you all what is on it. So as I say, I don't know the base when I start with, as I say. So whatever is added to it between now and next week, Monday, will be cashed out and sent to Mr. Willis. Well, see that it's at 11,700. I don't know if you can see it. Or you can't see it because of the background. But it is $11,719. That is what's there now. Right? So between now and next week, Monday, all you can donate on here, will add to this, and it will go directly to Mr. Meshach Willis. Yes, that is not a great thing. It won't buy him a new house, but it will give him a little cushion. It will give him a little cushion. Right? So that is it for the rest of this week. So the base we're starting with again is $11,719. I wish I could show you the screen, but I can't because of the back. I don't know if it's because of the background why you're not seeing it. Hold on, let me switch this background so we can show it. And I say whatever is added to it will go to Mr. Willis. Yes, whatever is added. Can you see it now? There you go. There you go. You all see it now. That is the base on which we are starting. $11,719. It is a look back. You can see. So whatever is added to it, anything on no done, you just send on no taps and no roses and come. It will go to Mr. Willis. Yes, it will go directly to Mr. Willis. Right. So Mr. Willis, do a look selling on the side. In doing local hustling. Now that, remember, that is a man. No, sir, that is a man that had his business in Jamaica, living in a decent home in a decent community, and it was snatched away from him under the watchful eyes of the PMP. So, and he's now selling on the street, sitting on a road, sitting down, hoping to build back in local business from that. So, this is going to be our little contribution to him, me people. So, as I say, between now, 1 week time, and William say him want a Zelle. All right, I am going to give it to you. Yes, we can do Zelle. For those who want to do a Zelle, Petal, my people, you can inbox me or inbox Petal. Petal's mother. Petal, well, hold on, I soon bring up Petal. Petal, send me a request. Petal's mother was the social worker that used to deal with Mr. Willis. Eh? No, sir. But Petal's mother used to deal with them. So if you can inbox me or Petal about the Zelle. But Trigger, you know who say all people in Colombia have Zelle, man. All you want is one bank account over there and you're good enough. Right? That myself or Petal and we will work it out. But either way, Mr. Willis will get everything starting from this $11,000 right here, so. And
Sounds good. Sounds good, Chuck. Yes, feel free. Inbox me or Chuck.
I Chuck, I don't know can get it. Yeah, man. Everything. It mean a little bit to us, but it will mean a lot to him. So today, Monday, today is what? Today the 14th.
Yeah.
So next Monday will be what, the 21st. Right? So by at the 21st, we'll see where we are and we will cash out everything and make sure that he receives it. There's more of them, but I believe that Meshach Willis is possibly the worst half of the bunch. Yeah? I believe Mr. Willis is possibly the worst half of the bunch. There's probably more of them that we don't know about, but based on who we know, Mr. Willis is the worst of no, John Dog.
Come on, guys. We're gonna start sending some gift now. We're gonna send in some gift, guys. See, we can get Mr. Me shock on 25,000 or something. I'm gonna send in some gift, man. I'll stop stingy up the thing. Buy out the bar
And if
and don't be a coming
hi,
on.
hi
See?
Christian, and if anybody want to donate to his Scotia account,
Yes.
I can give you the Scotia account, the branch number and the account number and his proper spelling of his name. I think Mivy and Churchill Downs are two people that donated to the Scotia. So if anybody wants the Scotia account, reach out to me and I will let you get it as well,
Yeah,
okay?
man, and recharge up on our account, man, and send in some gift feed. See?
The other day the police them take away him stuff them, them see him can hardly walk. 'Cause him 60% disabled, And then tell
Where
me
man do
this,
sell things and then take it away?
yeah, he sell like
Mighty
little
God.
stationary items. Yeah man, then you never see the video.
No, some I didn't see.
Mm-hmm.
Like station and them thing they do that. I saw the 8 p.m. at Sporting and
Sorry? And a leg. And a leg.
yes, that's where he is. Right? And guys, what make it bad for Mr. Willis is that during the heights of the Finsack, he actually met in a motor vehicle accident that set him further back. Right? So while the others had the opportunity to run up and down and try to do things, he was in a motor vehicle accident.
With a teenager who was unlicensed,
He was unlicensed.
and so he had no coverage. He got no coverage.
Nothing to recover. So it was like a double whammy to Mr. Willis. Mr. Willis told us that when he was put out his house and he went to see his lawyer and get back home, all of his furniture and belonging was on the sidewalk. And then the rain started to fall. So him and his family had to hide under little tarpaulin to get shelter while them watch them life wash away basically in front of them eye. And all this under the watchful eyes of a government that they elected that should have protected them, but instead refused every single offer.
You know, so every time I think about it, me just feel so disappointed in the people of Jamaica, how them a run behind these people and them see, because you see some of most of the people them a come out of the garrison
We're
and
going to find out.
me I gotta be completely frank. Them very bad mind. And them
Very,
no want to see you have anything over them. And I them choose to stay in a situation where they in it. See? Mighty God of Daniel.
woman love. Woman love. All right, love woman. All right, love woman not talking to us, so. Right? But that is the situation. Two persons, including Mr. Willis' church, offered to buy his house so he could retain it. The church went to the government at the time and said, please, we understand that he's in some problem. Let us pay off his debt and save his house. And that was refused. And his asset was given to the Jamaica Redevelopment Company, which was a collection agency from overseas. So them actually sold it. At the time, a house that valued $11 million was basically the same house we are selling for $30 million now. Mr. Willis' house, which part it there right now, probably value somewhere around $30 to $40 million. The value, yeah man, Rose, the value of the house at the time was for $11.5 million. And it was sold for $3 million. Right? That is the situation that these people, and like I said, Mr. Willis' own was compounded because of his accident. But he said, Chucks, I'm glad my prime minister have his bank account. Yeah, man, at Jamaica film there because the man is showing confidence in the system. You have to show confidence in the system where you're running. No? If you're not confident in it, then why are you leading the country? Right? So that is it, my people. As I say, for the rest of the week, anything we get here, so it will go add to it. And as I said, the base point already is $11,700. So let's see if we can at least get him 3 times that. Let's see if we can get him 3 times that. And then we go. That's just that. If we can get him 4 or 5 times it, he will appreciate it also. But there is no user fee, no agency fee, as the PMP them would collect, and there is no administrative fee. So everything that is there will go to him. Everything. There's no. In fact, if I can stop the transfer people and take them fee, that I stop them too. But that's our goal for this week. That is our goal for this week. Everybody who can assist. So yes, let me get back to my challenger now. May I challenge you, man, from Canada. Anytime you're ready, you can come and we have the debate. You scream out what you hear when you're bad after angel say angel trouble you. Right? And fair man, we respect woman, you know. And you say, no woman can be disrespected on my platform because we respect woman over here. How can we assist? Dante Jack, are you in Jamaica? Reach out to myself or Petal, and we will let you know. Reach out to me or Petal. Petal is up there. And if you are there, Petal can give you his account number. All right. Yes. Petal can give you his account number, and you can make a direct transfer to the account. Or you can send it to Petal or myself, and we'll ensure it get to him. 100%. No user fee, no fee anywhere on the side. Right? No fee anywhere on the side. So whatever you donate will go directly to Mr. Willis. Someone who should have been protected by the government of Jamaica, but was left on the wayside to suffer. So that we are going to do. That is our week target this week. Janet Dunkley. Carol Moreland. Janet Dunkley. All right, we're not hearing Janet Dunkley.